Accenture today does not stand alone as a flagship for our booming ICT industry. Global leaders such as IBM, Ceridian, Allianz, Huawei, and Microsoft are already present in our country, and we are confident that we will be able to attract even more of these reputable brands to our country as our strategies focus more and more on innovation and artificial intelligence technology. The ICT sector is the third pillar of the Mauritian economy after the financial services and tourism. It contributes 5.7% to our GDP, employing more than 24,000 people directly in more than 800 companies, and many more in auxiliary activities gravitating around the main ICT cluster. The growth rate of the sector has been a healthy 5.3% in 2018. However, we believe that the sector can potentially return to two-digit growth rates as was noted during its expansion phase.